guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel SimpliFlow. In this video, we are going to learn about an easy topic, that is branches of accounting. There are usually three branches of accounting. The first branch is financial accounting, second branch is cost accounting, and the third branch is management accounting. Let's see these branches of accounting one by one. First one is financial accounting. This financial accounting usually deals with recording of day-to-day transaction, which can be given as journal entries, and it will be classified as ledger accounts, and the preparation of trial balance, and then preparing the final statement, that is final accounts like a trading account, P&L account, and balance sheet. This financial accounting was actually prepared for to know about the profit or loss of the particular business, and also to know the financial position of that particular business in that particular year. Because only while after recording all this transaction, we can able to actually prepare those final accounts. In that final accounts only, we can come to know about the profit or loss of that particular business. Then only as a businessman, we can able to know whether that particular business in that particular year has earned a profit or not, and to how much profit has been earned and how much loss has been incurred. And also they can able to understand the financial position of their business. Usually this financial accounting is used by the shareholders, internal members, investors, creditors, debentures, governments, external person who have lent to that particular business, and all those internal members of the company. So let's go with an example. For if a shop actually earns a profit of rupees 1 lakh, and they have invested and also the expenses, all those comes as rupees 70,000. So how much profit that particular company would have earned? So simply we can say, if we had earned 1 lakh means, and the investment amount is or the expenses amount is as 70,000 means, obviously the profit earned as rupees 30,000. This is actually a simple transaction which we can able to do it in our mind itself. But if there is a series of transaction and it was in different dates, where cash transaction, credit transaction, all those comes in means, we can't able to remember all those in our mind. For that purpose only we are using financial accounting, which helps us to determine the profit or loss of that particular business, and also to know about the financial position of that particular business. So let's move on to our next branch, that is cost accounting. This cost accounting is usually used by the manufacturing companies. Under this cost accounting, they will actually calculate the amount which will be incurred for producing one product. Here itself see an example. How much does it cost to make one notebook or one shirt? If that particular company, I mean manufacturing company, is producing pen means, how much that one particular pen will cost, like 0.25, 0.75, it will be determined using cost account only. So for what purpose they are using cost accounting means, they can able to know cost per unit. Like I already told you, if I'm producing one pen means, it will cost around 0.25, like that, cost per unit. Okay, I mean for producing that one unit, that is one pen, it actually cost around rupees 0.25 only. So for producing that 0.25 pen worth of pen, how much material cost would have incurred, how much labor cost, if there is any overhead cost or any other expenses which have incurred for producing that one particular product, it all can be determined only through cost accounting. So it was actually used by manufacturing business. Apart from this, they can also use this cost accounting to control the cost, because they know for producing, I'm actually giving this I mean incurring material cost, labor cost, as well as the overhead cost, and some other expenses cost. So the business, I mean manufacturing company, can able to know where to control the cost, because for producing a product, it's an expenses for that manufacturing company, no. So they can able to know where to control this cost. For example, if a material cost incurs as rupees 2, for example I'm saying, the pen cost is overall producing one pen cost is rupees 5 means material cost is rupees 2 and labor cost is rupees 3 means they will think, okay, we can reduce the labor cost by getting any machines or by getting more workers who can able to get low wages. Likewise, they can think of reducing the cost, I mean controlling the cost, as well as reducing the wastages. If they are spending more in producing a particular product means they can think of where to reduce those wastages. For all these purpose to think to determine all these things, cost accounting is helpful for the manufacturing company. So next let's move on to our third branch, that is management accounting. This management accounting usually deals with planning, forecasting, budgeting, and for making a good decision, that is better decision for the company. In simple words, we can say it actually helps the managers to take a better decision by planning and forecasting. So for example, we say that should the company launch a new product next month? So the answer can be obtained through management accounting. If a company is running in a well manner, okay, and there is a good brand image among the customers about that particular product means, they can obviously launch a new product in the next month. Okay, but already the existing product is somewhat only going, and there is a no, they don't have any good brand image among the customers means they have to think whether to launch our new product this month or not. Is it a good decision or a bad decision? So all these things can be determined using management accounting. So these are the three branches of accounting. Let's just see simple differences among them. So the first one is, as for financial accounting, it actually focuses on overall business, whole business, okay, both internal, external, all those business, overall business it focuses on, not this particular product, I mean a particular track or this one, like that, no. Overall business it focuses on overall business. As for cost accounting, it actually focuses on cost of producing one particular product. And as for management accounting, it focuses or helps the managers to take a good decision which will be helpful for the company for their improvement. And as for financial accounting, it focuses on past, okay, because they actually prepare the final accounts, okay, in which we can able to know the profit or loss of the business and where the financial position of the company stands for, okay. In last year the company had earned a profit of 1 lakh, so they will compare those compare the past year's profit with the present year's profit. So they actually majorly focuses on past. And as for cost accounting, they actually focus on both present and past, because in past for producing a one pen it cost rupees 5 means in present how much does it cost? It should cost rupees 5 or less than that. It should not go beyond rupees 5. If it goes beyond rupees 5 for manufacturing that one particular pen, they will think of and they would take decision for controlling the extra amount, I mean extra cost incurring for producing that particular product. So as for cost accounting, both present as well as the past infos are important. And as for management, it's completely for future. They are just planning and forecasting and taking a decision. We still don't know what will happen because of this decision. It may be a good one or it may be a bad one. We still don't know. Only in future they can able to come to know it's a good one or bad one. So management accounting is fully focused on future. And as for the users, financial accounting, as I already told, both internal and external can be used, like shareholders, owners of the, who are the owners of the company, and external creditors, debenture holders, all can, okay, and the employees of the company, customers, public, those who are not related even to the company in a single way, even though they are not the shareholders but a general common public also, they can able to see the financial statements of that particular company. So as for cost accounting, only the internal person, that is to related to the manufacturing business who are manufacturing that particular product, only they only come to know about that cost in case of cost accounting. As for management accounting, only the top level managers, only the top level management can know. So and then as for financial accounting, we use this financial accounting. The purpose of this of the usage of this financial accounting is for preparing a report, that is preparing a financial statements or final accounts. As for cost accounting, to identify how to reduce the wastages and how to control the cost, where to control the cost. This can be done through cost accounting. And as for the management accounting, it's fully related to the planning and also the forecasting of the business to take a better decision. Okay guys, so we had seen these different branches of accounting, but have you thought of some other accounting also? Because these three branches of accounting we will usually do as a theory as well as for the problems. Apart from these three branches, we also have like corporate accounting, financial management, and so on. But we mainly divide this financial accounting, cost and management accounting as the branches of accounting. Then why not corporate accounting and financial management? Why they didn't come under the branch of accounting? Have you ever thought of this question, guys? Today let's see that answer. As for the first question, why corporate accounting is not actually a branch? Because under corporate accounting, we just focus on the companies, from the start to the end, from the formation of the company till the liquidation of the company, we focus on in case of corporate accounting, share capital, debentures, amalgamation, absorption, liquidation, internal reconstruction, external reconstruction. We actually focus on these different topics in the corporate accounting, which is actually similar somewhat. It's not same, but what's somewhat similar to financial accounting. In financial accounting also, we actually focus on company preparing of financial statements or final accounts. Likewise, in corporate accounting, we actually, in fact, in depth, we are actually seeing those companies from the formation till the liquidation, till the close of the, winding up of that particular company. So, for that purpose, corporate accounting is actually treated as a special subject, which should be an important concept that should be learned by the students, but not as a branch. That's why corporate accounting is not considered as a branch, but treated as a specialized subject. I hope you have got the answer, guys. Let's move on to the next question. Why financial management is not considered as a branch? Okay. Sometimes some students actually think and ask, financial management and management accounting are same. Actually, both are different. First, coming to financial management, why the financial management does not come under the branch of accounting means financial management is completely related to the finance department, not accounting department. Accounting and finance department are completely different. First question, as for first question, financial management is related to finance department, not for accounting department. And as for the second question, why the financial management is otherwise known as some students actually thinking financial management only known as the management accounting. It's completely different, because we had seen here, as for management accounting, we are just planning, forecasting, and it actually helps the managers to take better decision. But as for financial management, we actually uses those data which was prepared in the management accounting to use in the finance section, okay, to utilize the funds effectively, whether we should invest in this company or not. Investments, we are using the funds to improve our own company. If I invest in this company or in this project, means will I able to get more profit or not. Likewise, it's fully related to the finance department, funds, fully related to the funds, that is known as the financial management. So the main key difference is management accounting actually gives the data only, but as for the financial management, uses the data for taking finance decision. So the financial management is completely related to finance, not as an accounting. I hope you have got the answers for these two questions, guys. And also I hope that this video is clear for you, and we also come to know about the three branches of accounting, that is financial accounting, cost accounting, and management accounting. In our next video, we are going to see about the very simplest topics, that is the golden rules of accounting, accounting concepts and convention. If you find this video useful and helpful, do like, share and subscribe guys. Thank you. Let's meet you soon in next video.